Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to fix Snapchat code SS06 error. So if you're trying to sign into your Snapchat account and you're facing this error, don't worry. If you're facing this error, then you have to wait some times and then you have to retry to log into your Snapchat account. You can wait up to 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and after that go to your Snapchat app and try to relog into your account and check the error. And if you're still having the same error, then all you have to uninstall your Snapchat app. So uninstall your Snapchat app and then go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. Now all you have to reinstall your Snapchat app and then try to relog into your account, and hope any of this solution will fix the error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.